All right, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you needed to search for information. Okay. You can talk about any time and you searched for that information from a friend, online, library, or whatever. Okay, please start.
Well, 3 years back, I needed to prepare my oral exam. I had only 1 week to prepare it. It was my master's exam, and the whole 2 year syllabus was included in that oral exam. And it was very difficult for me to search it from books. So I decided to search it from internet. First of all, I make a list of important topics. Made a list of important topics related my exam, and then the second thing that I prepared the important questions related to the topics. Then I started working on it, and it was very easy. It was very easy for me to search it from internet because it was not possible for me within 1 week through the books. And after 1 week, I was able to give my exam. And when I appeared in exam, I was very happy that the whole topics were clear, and I was able to answer every question.
All right, it's good, fantastic overall, but just try to focus more on the search for information and what you had to do in order to search for information. Just try to highlight that point as well. Otherwise, it's fine. Now, let's move on. And overall, you spoke well. 1 minute, 17 seconds. That's ideal time. After 1 minute, examiner will stop you anytime. Now, speaking part 3, how can people search for information now?
Internet is the most common way to search the things for people in these days, actually. Because it's specific. We can search on internet specifically the things we want to search. Otherwise, from books, it's difficult to search specific things, specific topic, and any other thing that is specifically we want to know. Through internet, we can search it easily.
All right, it's good. Just try to use a variety of words and don't repeat one word more than 2 times. Just find another word. Okay? Thank you so much. Good job. Keep it.